Twitter has been sued for $250 million by a music publisher for copyright infringement. Now, this is the picture that they put in the article that I'm reading, and it just made me laugh a little bit. But in any case, what's going on is, it's the National Music Publishers Association, and they filed a copyright claim against Twitter saying there's basically widespread violation of songwriters' rights, of which we represent. And Twitter, by the way, you're not doing anything to monitor it. So therefore, you're liable for the infringement that is happening on your platform. And while this is all, it's true, I'm with ya when it comes to representing songwriters and making sure that they get paid. I guess I would just go to practically, like, what are you expecting Twitter to do? Now, I mean, if you had maybe some more advanced technology, because as you guys know, there's, content ID tracking. It happens, we know, pretty aggressively on like YouTube, right? So I even said, just because I played something that's copyrighted by someone else and I'm doing it for reaction purposes, I'm allowed to do that. But in real time, YouTube has content ID, and so they're going to track it. They're going to be like, she's using it, and we're just going to assume she's using it without permission or fair use or anything like that. And so I'm going to have to deal with this after the show. But in any case, you can put things into place, but it makes it incredibly difficult for users on the platform who otherwise might actually have the ability to use the copyrighted content. Okay, so, a part of my initial feeling and pushback on this is I love that you are fighting for songwriters' rights, but first of all, why is it just Twitter? Is there something particularly different about Twitter than any other social media platform? Because obviously on, for example, TikTok, for example, Facebook, which owns Instagram, we have widespread copyright infringement happening on multiple levels. And what the social media platforms are doing to try to remedy this is that they are just coming up with deals with the record labels and also with licensing companies. So they're just getting licenses to have the music so that way you can add them, right? Add music to your stories, add music to your feed, add music to your videos. But obviously there's the ability to upload stuff as well. So I think that's where things are getting mixed. Or I was going to say missed, but then people are also mixing, different and sampling and doing different things. So it's really, really tough to monitor this because of how fast technology moves, how fast social media evolves. And so, they're suing for $250 million. And I'm curious to see what kind of happens with this. So they said, quote, Twitter knows perfectly well that neither it nor users on the Twitter platform have secured licenses for the rampant use of music being made on its platforms as complained of herein. So this is from the lawsuit. Twitter's unlawful conduct has caused and continues to cause substantial and irreparable harm to publishers, their songwriters, clients, and the entire music ecosystem. This is something I'm definitely going to keep an eye on. What do you think? Leave a comment down in the comment section below.